I just dropped this cool video on the timeline. First, select the Type tool and click to add text. Type out your desired text, then open Essential Graphics to customize the font, size, color, etc. With the text layer selected on the timeline, go to the Effect Controls panel and select the free Draw Bezier tool under Opacity. This is the masking tool. On the program monitor, trace around the object you want the text behind. Make sure you create a closed path. Go back to Effect Controls and check Inverted. This will invert the mask so the text shows outside the traced area. Adjust the mask feather and mask expansion sliders until the text edge perfectly aligns with the object's edges. This creates a natural blended look. Feel free to reposition the text to get the desired placement. That's it. With Premiere's masking tools, you can seamlessly integrate text behind objects in your scene. Use this to create stylish titles, lower thirds, graphics, and more. Thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any other questions.